Hello everyone.
Hello, welcome back to our channel.
Even if it's just our two lovely nieces, Pip and Ella,
They are big fans, aren't they?
our #1 fans. Thank you very much. Love you guys.
So, if it's your first time here, then check out our previous videos. We talk about our move from UK to Romania and some of the renovations we've done so far. We hope you enjoy them.
Hopefully you won't get bored at any point, but if you do, just fast forward to the end and we might have some bloopers for you.
Are we gonna make any bloopers today?
Well, hopefully not. We'll
Yeah,
see. We'll see how we get on.
We'll see, yeah.
Since we've been here, we've been reminded that no matter what happens, life goes on. It's the natural course of things. We may encounter obstacles, face challenges, but the world keeps spinning and time keeps moving forward. And it's up to us to keep up the pace of life. We must learn to adapt, to grow, to evolve, to make the most of what we have. So let's embrace the journey, enjoy the ride, and make the most of every moment.
Country life is often associated with a slower pace, a closer connection to nature, and a sense of community. There's something special about waking up to the sound of birds chirping and breathing in fresh, clean air every day. Many people find peace and tranquility in the simplicity of country living. Whether you are looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life or seeking a deeper connection with nature, country life has much to offer. And it's why we chose to move here.
Okay, let's be real. That conception is a little bit romanticized,
Yeah.
but it is a big percentage of it.
Yeah, definitely. I think our life can still get a bit stressed or busy, but being in this setup, I think it's easier to reconnect with ourselves, with nature, family, and
Absolutely.
just have a more grounded existence.
Today's video, we're still on renovation stage, but we've moved on to the bathroom this time.
Another essential room.
Exactly. Which is actually going to be split into 2 videos. So this is going to be part 1 of 2.
Yeah, I think there was a lot of work involved compared to the bedroom.
Absolutely.
So we couldn't capture it in one video.
Yeah, I think we kind of wanted to break down things a little bit more. And if we had put everything into one video, it would just be a feature film, I think. So it's better to just break it down into
And we don't want
2.
anyone to watch feature films about bathrooms.
Ultimately, the key to successful bathroom design is creating a space that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. It was important for us to create a bathroom that is both practical and inviting.
Whether you have a small or large bathroom, there are some key elements that you should take into consideration when designing a perfect bathroom. The layout. So you want to make sure that the space is well organized and functional, with all the necessary fixtures and amenities easily accessible. This may involve reconfiguring the placement of the sink, toilet, shower or tub to optimize the space. We couldn't do much with the layout. We are working with a very small bathroom and with an even tinier budget. So moving anything around wasn't an option, but we worked with what we had and optimized the space according to our needs. Another important aspect of bathroom design is choosing the right materials and finishes. This includes selecting durable and moisture-resistant flooring, wall tiles, and countertops that can withstand the humidity and occasional splashes of water. Additionally, you may want to consider incorporating natural materials like wood or stone to create a spa-like atmosphere. In our part 2 of the bathroom renovation video, you will see how we incorporated wood, stone, and other textures in our bathroom design.
And lastly, lighting is also a crucial element in bathroom design. Adding mirrors can also help to reflect light and make the space feel brighter.
So where are we with the bathroom?
Well, so applied the first coat of plaster, let that dry for a day, sanded that down, then went over it again if there was any patches, as you can see, needed a bit more refining. And then I plastered the ceiling as well. It's a bit of an awkward ceiling, as you can see, with the shape and everything. It was a bit tricky, and not much experience on my part, but we did our best. I did my best. And now we're going to sand this down to get it as smooth as possible. Still going to maintain this overall shape that it has here, just smooth it down really. If there are any patches again that are going to need a little bit of work on it, then we're going to sort that out today. Also did down at the bottom by the tiles, just created a bit of a lip on that, tidied it up a tiny bit because it was a bit messy. Yeah, I think that's about where we are with it today. Once I finish sanding the ceiling, like I said, gonna look at then applying the first coat of finished plaster, and we'll see from there.
Traditionally, bathrooms used to be designed with bright and light colors in mind, but more recently, darker, moodier designs have been trending. And I think it's a good trend. It's a necessary trend. If I look at our bathroom and why we went with the dark theme, it's because it was so small, and it has the tiniest window.
Yeah, it's like a submarine portal.
Exactly. So, not having a budget to basically put in a brand new window and whatnot, we had to be clever, and making it moody and sort of spa-like and intimate, it's what we thought was the best to go with.
So the paint we went with, we just got from our local shop. We started off by painting up the ceiling, and then fortunately for us, we didn't need to paint the full bathroom. It was only about 3/4 of the way down that we needed to paint, because obviously we were then applying the wallpaper and the paneling to the side of the wall. The bathroom was functional, but it just didn't have our personal touch on it.
To achieve a moody look to our bathroom, I chose to go with dark fixtures. We couldn't buy these black fixtures that are mega expensive. Well, not mega expensive, but not within the very limited budget we have. Instead, I used a black spray paint. Make sure you get a very good spray paint, water resistant, heat resistant, everything resistant. Just make sure it's the right spray paint, don't cheap out on it. And secondly, make sure you sand any rust away, and you also sand the chrome finish.
Yeah, that's going to help the spray paint adhere.
Obviously, I took the opportunity to use the spray painter again, and we spray painted the bathroom door to match the design we were going with. We wanted to capture again how we paint a door, but this time I've done something different. So I used the spray paint to put the white coat as a primer, but then I wanted it to go dark green like the rest of the wall in the bathroom. Normally I would use a spray paint, but I just wanted to check if that finish is better than doing it with a roller. And guess what? It's way much better. I sort of knew this, but I just had to be convinced that I'm not just doing it with the spray painter for the sake of it. But definitely uses less paint, and the finish is just so much better.
So smooth.
It's literally like it was straight off the production line. So I would say invest the 30-40 pounds into that spray painter, and you can literally paint any furniture, any door, anything with it. You just need to make sure you get the right paint for the DIY project that you're doing.
Okay, let's talk wallpaper. Wallpaper is a great way to add character and personality to any room in your home. With so many different patterns, colors, and textures available, there is sure to be a wallpaper that suits your taste. One of the great things about wallpaper is that it can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it to create a feature wall in your living room, add a pop of colour to your bedroom, or even use it to line the inside of a bookshelf. The possibilities are endless. This is the second time we've used wallpaper in the bathroom, and on both occasions it worked out really well for us.
As my lovely husband pointed out, why are you laughing?
Oh, lovely.
Yeah,
Okay, go.
can I say that?
You can say it. It's no
Okay,
problem.
you're a lovely husband.
Thank you. Nice to hear it once in a while.
As my lovely husband pointed out, you can use wallpaper for endless DIY projects. I love using it for putting it on on top of a coffee table, or I've recently done a project where we've done a wardrobe door, bookshelves. To be fair, anything really. It's a budget-friendly option, and it's also very easy to put it on. I've done the bathroom myself this time, and I didn't find any difficulties. It's quite straightforward. You just follow the instruction on how to use the glue, and other than that, some water and the rag, and you're good to go basically.
So with the wallpaper, I left it all up to Andrea to do. Obviously with some wallpapers you have to take into account the design on the wallpaper so that it matches up side by side. But with our paneling design that we were going to be incorporating, we didn't have to worry about that. So in summary, wallpaper is a fun and creative way to add some personality to your home. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your space.
Make sure you check in for part 2 of the bathroom renovation. You will see how to panel, how to paint the tiles, how to do an under sink cabinet out of a
Recycled sewing machine.
and how to make a concrete sink all by yourself.
So thank you very much for tuning in today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye bye. As my lovely pointed out, you can use...
No, what's that as my lovely pointed out?
I said husband.
You
no?
just you absolutely missed the husband. You just said as my lovely pointed
No,
out.
no, your name.
No.
Whether you have a small or big bathroom, whether you have a small bathroom or a large, whether you have a small or whether you have a small bath, no, again.
Take care of yourself.
Didn't go work at all.
I wasn't even recording.
No way.